Good morning, everybody. I'm right now in a historic Zerafshan Valley. It's a cradle of Tajik nation because so many writers, so many scientists, so many great minds of the Tajik nation has come from here. They took their born in this valley between mostly between these mountains right here. So as you can see, this valley is huge. It starts from here within the current Tajikistan, starting from Mascho, the mountainous area, going all the way between these chains of mountains, going all the way into the modern Uzbekistan, all the way to Samarkand and Bukhara. And this great valley has given so many great minds and so many great people for the Tajik nation. It's the cradle of the Tajik nation, just like Samarkand and Bukhara, but all of it is the Zerafshan Valley. So I came here to get some motivation, to get some spirit of our ancestors who have contributed so much to the Tajik nation, to the Tajik people. So it's really important to come back to your roots, to be stronger.